Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Asra Khalid and this tutorial is a drawing tutorial of a side pose, but it includes only a little bit of the nose and the lips and the chin area. So this is a side pose, and as you all know, I start with the guidelines and there's a center line, and I'm using an H pencil. 2H or 3H is fine, and I'm going to start with the guidelines so you will know what I'm drawing. The first line is actually it's the end of the nose, so when I'll draw more you will know what I have drawn over here. And this is the divisions of these are the division lines of the lips, the three lines you can see, and then below that there will be the chin area. So I've drawn these lines, and then I'll start with the lighter details, and then I'm going to finish it off with the darker pencil. So I'll always start with light and take a pencil and a paper drawing sheet, and you can also draw this. This is not a very detailed drawing, it's just a guide for how the side pose looks, and it's a good reference for the beginners. You will have the idea how the divisions of the face actually. And I hope you like this video, and if you have any questions please write in the comments, and do like and share. Thank you.